Assalamu alaikum students, it's chemistry second year lecture 22. Our topic is silicons and page number 49. We will discuss about the chemistry of silicon. The chemistry of silicon is in many respects very much like the chemistry of carbon. ये बिल्कुल कार्बन की तरह है बहुत सारी चीजों में. जैसे कि कार्बन बनाती है कंपाउंड्स कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, कार्बन टेट्राक्लोराइड और मीथेन. इसी तरह सिलिकॉन बनाता है सिलिकॉन डाइऑक्साइड, सिलिकॉन टेट्राक्लोराइड और सिलेन. The silicon atom holds 4 methyl groups, silicon tetramethyl, just as the carbon atom, carbon tetramethyl. We normally, in case of organic chemistry, we say this compound as neopentane. If a compound of silicon containing chlorine atoms and methyl groups, silicon dichlorodimethyl, is allowed to react with water, hydrogen chloride comes out and the silicon atoms join together through oxygen atom. There is a chemical reaction. हम अगर डाइक्लोरोडाइमिथाइल सिलिकॉन को वाटर के प्रेजेंस में रिएक्ट करवाएंगे तो हमारे पास साइड चेन्स में ऑक्सीजन आ जाएगी. ठीक है, ये 2 स्टेप रिएक्शन है. साइड चेन में ऑक्सीजन आ जाएगी, लेकिन टॉप और बॉटम पे मिथाइल ग्रुप्स ही रहेंगे. टॉप और बॉटम पे जो है वो ऑक्सीजन एटम्स, जंक्शन पे ऑक्सीजन एटम्स आ जाएंगे. 2 सिलिकॉन एटम्स का जो जंक्शन है ना, उस पे ऑक्सीजन एटम आ जाएंगे, लेकिन टॉप और बॉटम पे जो है वो मिथाइल ग्रुप्स ही रहेंगे. By this reaction we can make synthetically the silicon oxygen chain found in the mineral silicates. A difference is that here we have methyl group instead of oxygen atom joined to silicon as a side chains. Such a compound is called a silicon. And this particular one is a methyl silicon. Other alkyl groups may also be substituted for the methyl groups and the molecular chain can be made of various lengths. Okay, now we have some properties and uses of the silicon. Some of the methyl silicons are oily liquids and they become more viscous as the chain length increases. These silicons are used as the lubricants. Lubricants you know very well students. फ्रिक्शन को रिड्यूस करने के लिए हम कुछ ग्रीसी लिक्विड्स इस्तेमाल करते हैं, उनको lubricants कहते हैं. और these lubricants, silicons are used as lubricants either incorporated in greases or as oils. They are also used in bearings. जैसे साइकिल में bearings होते हैं, gears हमारे तमाम ऑटोमोबाइल्स में होते हैं. They are also used in hydraulic brakes and the other hydraulic systems. The outstanding physical attribute, इसका एक extraordinary character क्या है, is its very small change in viscosity with change in temperature as compared with the behavior of the other oils of similar viscosity. If the temperature is dropped from 100 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius, the viscosity of petroleum oil may increase about 100 fold. जबकि सिलिकॉन ऑयल की विस्कोसिटी में सिर्फ कितना इंक्रीज आता है, ओनली 4 folds. So this is very important property and very useful property. In the presence of air or oxygen at temperature as high as 300 degrees Celsius, silicon oils remain free from acid formation, oxidation and similar phenomenon. मतलब ये कि ये ज्यादा रिएक्टिव नहीं है, जल्दी इनकी केमिस्ट्री चेंज नहीं होती. This property frequently limits the usefulness of petroleum products and other synthetic organic liquids in the case. Okay, methyl silicons of high molecular mass resemble rubber and are used in making rubber like tubings and sheets. Silicon molecules can be made in such a way that bridges or cross linkages bind one long molecule to another at several points along the chain. These compounds have resinous properties. Resinous properties, they have smell and odor like resins. Smell and odor like resins. Okay. Another interesting and important application of silicon is their use in the treatment of various surfaces to make them water repellent. A silicone film covers the surface and repels water like a grease film. Much of the leak of electricity through the moisture film or ceramic electrical insulators can be prevented by a silicone film, cloth, plastic, asbestos, glass, leather and paper. Even filter paper and blotting papers become strongly water repellent when covered with the silicone film. Semiconductors. A semiconductor is a substance that has different resistances to the passage of an electric current under different circumstances. Semiconductors include the elements like germanium, selenium, and silicon, and the compounds like lead sulfide, silicon carbide, cadmium sulfide, lead telluride, gallium arsenide, and indium antimonide. Semiconductors conduct electricity better than insulators, but not as well as good conductors. They have semi, मतलब mid में इनकी property है तकरीबन, so they are known as semiconductor. This gives them their name, which means the half conductor. How well they conduct electricity depends upon their temperature. When a metal is heated, its resistance increases. जब metal heat करते हैं metal को हम तो इसकी conductivity जो है वो कम होती है, resistance बढ़ती है. But when a semiconductor is heated, its resistance decreases. Semiconductors are also sensitive to light. The greater the intensity of the light that falls on them, the better they conduct electricity. This effect that light and heat energy have on semiconductor make them extremely useful. They are used in photoelectric cell and in solar batteries. Okay, the electrons of semiconductors do not carry electric current as readily as the electrons of good electric conductor like metals. However, when the atoms of the material absorb heat or light, the electrons become less tightly bound to their atoms. They can now conduct electricity in a better way. Another special property of semiconductor is the way they behave when they are joined to another material. There is a formation of p-n junction. The more detail of p-n junction you will study in physics, but I am giving a slight introduction. होता ये है कि जब हम सेमीकंडक्टर के साथ एक और मटेरियल को ज्वाइन करते हैं तो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जो हैं वो मूव करना स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं फ्रॉम वन मटेरियल टू अनदर मटेरियल. एज अ रिजल्ट एक मटेरियल में इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की कंसंट्रेशन इंक्रीज हो जाती है और दूसरे मटेरियल में होल्स मींस इलेक्ट्रॉन स्पेसिस, उनकी कंसंट्रेशन जो है वो इंक्रीज हो जाती है. एंड सच कंपाउंड्स आर नोन एज द सेमीकंडक्टर्स. Such junctions are known as p-n junction. When semiconductor is joined to another material, which may be a metal or a different semiconductor, the junction between the different materials forms boundary. It allows electricity to pass more properly and is used in transistors. Transistors are much smaller and less complicated than old-fashioned electronic tube. They are used in radio, television, computers and calculators. Okay students, this is all about today. Tomorrow we will discuss uses of lead compounds, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.